Okay, so this one we will use quadratic formula to solve quadratic function. Quadratic function. You know, this quadratic formula is almighty. Whenever you want to solve a problem, you can use different methods, but at the end, quadratic formula is one of the test and sure method to solve a problem. Let's make some example. X squared plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. So you can do this one, 十字相乘116负1. So x plus 6 times x minus 1 equals 0. X is negative 6 or x is positive 1. So we have two solutions. X is negative 6 or positive 1. Now we use the quadratic formula. We know x 等于 2a 分之负 b 加减根号下 b 方减 4ac. This is a quadratic formula. And in this problem, in such problem, a equal 1, b equal 5, c equal negative 6, right? So x equal 2乘以1分之负5负 b 负5加减根号下55 25的平方减去4乘以1乘以负6，对不对？ So 2分之负5加减根号下25 4 6 24减25加1，对不对 ？Positive negative 25加24等于2分之负5加减7 7 49加减7 7 7 49。So x1 equal 2分之负5加7等于2分之2等于1。x2 equal 2分之负5减7等于负2分之12等于负6。So negative 6 positive 1 is exactly what we have figured out through quadratic formula. Now let's do another one, a little bit more complicated. Okay, the number is, let's do this one. 5x squared plus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. We can use 十字相乘1 5 2 3得6 2 3 and this is a positive 3 is negative. Okay, so time minus 3 equals 7. So x plus 2 times 5x minus 3 equal 0. X is negative 2 or x1 is negative 2. x2 is 3 over 5. Now we used a quadratic function. Here we know in this equation, a equal 5, b equal 7, c equal negative 6. So x equal 2a 分之负 b 加减根号下 b 方减 4ac. I remember this in Chinese, and there is no way that I can remember it in English. And 2a 分之负 b 加减根号下 b 方减 4ac， and this one is already become part of myself. It's in my blood. I cannot change it. I can only use it, say it in Chinese, and it touches my heart. It's like music in my heart. It touches my heart every time I say it, and it's just so warm, so fuzzy feeling in my heart. Okay, so x 等于2乘以5分之负 b 负7加减根号下7的平方减去4乘以5乘以负6等于10分之负7加减根号下7、7、49加4、5、20， 20加20乘以6 120等于10分之负7加减根号下169等于10分之负7加减13。So x1, okay, I always run out of space. I will use a new sheet of paper. Do not worry, I will not waste it. I will keep on using when I finish this exercise, when I'm not making video. x1 equal 10 minus negative 7 plus 13 equal 10。下面是6等于5分之3。Do we get 5分之3？ Yeehaw! We get 5分之3。Okay, x2 equal 10分之负7减13等于10分之负20等于负2。Do we get 负2? Yes. Negative 2. So, quadratic formula is a sure solution. And there are times, for example, if this if this 6 is positive, there will be no solution. 5x squared plus 7x minus 6 plus 6 equals 0. This one, square root of b 方减 4ac is smaller than 0. b 49减去4乘以5乘以6等于 square root 49减120等于 negative 71. Right? So this is a negative number. So there is no solution. What does it mean? If you draw a quadratic formula, it does not intersect with the x-axis. That's the only problem, or that's the only thing that makes it do not have a solution. You still have a quadratic line. It just does not connect, does not intersect with the x-axis. Do we care about it? x 轴算逻辑，是不是？ So that's the reason why there is no solution, because the solution, what we say the solution means, this quadratic function has intersection with x-axis. It could be at most 2 or 1 or 0. It does not intersect. Smiley face.